Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and review the Sbw8 Smartwatch from Dibetwear. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here a new smartwatch. This is the Sbw8 original smartwatch from Dibetwear. So before we open the box guys, so let's just have a few specifications of this product. So actually you can get this one guys at Shopee for around 685 pesos. Right? So this is it has 1.96 inch big screen, 380 m waterproof, 100 plus sports modes, all-weather health monitoring, 430 milliamperes, a large battery, and 7-day long battery life. So when you say 380 m waterproof guys, so it actually is a splash proof, and it can actually withstand, especially when you're wearing this one during rainy season and while you're washing your hands. You cannot submerge this one into the water. Alright, so that is just a quick specification guys. I'll actually put the link in the description box for you to check them out. So when I received this one guys, it has actually a free strap on it, so this one. And here is the Dibetwear, okay, Sbw8. Let's open this one. So in the box guys, so we have here the manual, right? And we have here the charging cable, so it's magnetic. Of course, the strap. So when you receive this one guys, it has actually two straps. So the one is free, that's nice. And of course the watch itself. So looking at the watch guys, so it's more like a kind of a rugged smartwatch. So on the right, so you have here the power button, okay, in orange, and the left, so we have here the design, the speaker grill, and at the back, so we have here the sensors, charging pins. So let's take this one out guys. So let's check the feature of the watch. Okay, so it's now turned on guys. So we have here the Sbw8 Dibetwear. So okay, this is the watch face. So I actually like the watch face. So let's try to check how many watch faces they have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got 8 watch faces, and so far I like this one here, this design. And let's look at the app. So it has activity, sleep. We also have here heart rate, phone call, exercise records, blood pressure, Sbw8, stress, weather messages, shutter, player, AI voice, timer, alarm, stopwatch, cycle tracker, word clock, find phone, calculator, and the settings. So we have display, vibration and ring, DND, do not disturb mode, lower power mode, phone and system. Okay, so you actually have here the app download, this part. Okay, so for the heart rate guys, so yes, it has a sensor. So when you try to check, so as you can see, it is, yeah, and it can actually detect if you're not using or not wearing it properly. Okay, and for blood pressure guys, this is just like a reference. So if you have really health issues, so you can only use this one as your reference, but not really like base. Yes. Okay. If you have a serious medical problem, I recommend you use the approved apparatus to take your blood pressure. Okay, and these applications here like messages, shutter, player, AI voice, timer, and you can actually use these features when you connect this one to your phone. So I will be using, or I will give you a tutorial later on how I will upload a tutorial on how to connect this smartwatch to your phone. Alright, so far guys, I will wear this one. Okay. Alright guys, so I am now wearing our Sbw8 Dibetwear Smartwatch, and I liked it guys because it's not bulky, and although the design and feels like it's quite heavy, but when you are wearing it, it's just light guys. So I recommend this smartwatch if you are um, if you just want a basic smartwatch. I recommend this smartwatch guys because of its affordability. Yes, the price is very reasonable for only around $10 or around 680 pesos. You can already get a decent smartwatch and with a nice design, and what else, it has two straps in it. Okay, and I personally like this watch face. It looks really cool. Yes, and I like the design and the feature. It has packed with all the features, and also the 3 ATM waterproof resistance. So it's a good, especially in this rainy season. All right. Okay, so guys, if you are interested in this product, the link in the description box, and get yours if you want this one. Okay. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions about the smartwatch, just comment down. And then if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you on our next video.